Hi everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And guys, today I am going to do the mask that Lori Latimer sent me. I won it on her Sunday night live that she does every Sunday evening, and it is the 4 Sigmatic Superfood Face Mask with reishi, and that's like a special type of mushroom. And I mixed it up with a half a teaspoon of water, and I'm fixing to put it on my face. It says to leave on for about 10 minutes, so I'm going to clock it here so we can know. Oh, and it does smell just like chocolate, like a brownie. That's what she said. She said, you're going to love it because it smells like a brownie. And I'm using my little new silicone brush that Bonnie from Bonnie's Bargains gave me on my special Friends, National Friends collaboration. So I'm getting all, I guess you could say, chocolate up here. I've never used a mask like this, so this is quite interesting. And it does smell good enough to eat, I will say that. And she told me that, and she wasn't kidding. I mean, it almost looks like the consistency of a brownie mix, you know, that you're going to bake in the oven. So I'm going to get this all around and leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm going to pull it down here a little bit on under my chin. And we're going to get rolling on this. I don't know how close I'm supposed to get to my eyes. So I'll get a little bit thick across there just because I had a little puffiness this morning. And maybe that'll help with that. I don't know. But I don't want to get very close to it. So as you can tell, I'm talking to y'all and looking in the mirror so I can make sure I get this on correctly. And I do want to get my jawline. And it says it's food nutrient, so we'll see how it goes. And Bonnie, the little brush, silicone brush, is just working perfectly. I'm going to put a little thickness on my lips. Okay. Or on my upper lip is what I meant. I'm giving it a little taste. It gives you food nutrition on this packet. I kid you not. On the back side of here it says supplements, and it tells you the supplemental facts. And you can see it's got quite a bit in there, and it's organic, and I don't know, it says to purify, so we're going to detox and purify my face with this chocolate smelling mask. And y'all be sure and head over to Lori Latimer. If you don't know her, she's great. She gives you lots of beauty tips. She has a lot of different things on her channel, including Mask Mondays. And she usually provides a link to all the Mask Monday ladies. So if you want to know more of us that do the Mask Monday, that's a good way to do it. And if you haven't signed up with Bonnie's Bargains, well, she's just wonderful too. And I would highly recommend you going over and checking out her channel. She has lots of bargains there. Wonderful lady. And of course she has giveaways, and so does Lori. Lori has beauty, a lot of beauty information on hers. And Bonnie has a lot of bargains. She buys bargains from all kinds of places. And she also does a lot of readings, like from the Word of God, and special things that she's found to be inspiring. So just a lovely lady, and she tells us lots of stories. So now the other thing I have today, and I'm just kind of touching up a little bit where I see that it's not so thick on my face. And I promise y'all I'm finished with patting that on. I received a product. I am affiliate of Tao, T-A-O, Clean, and I got this box from them a couple of months ago. Okay, yeah, I'm really bad. I've been so busy vacationing and everything, and then trying to catch up after vacation, that I have never got to this, but Marjorie had sent this to me for review and also asked me to be an affiliate with the Tao Cleaning Company. So on here it says happy skin starts here. We're going to open this up. I haven't opened it up, guys. I've saved it just for all of us, me and you, to see this at the same time. So inside here we have our product sheet, which tells us a little about the Ona Total Skincare Collection. And she asked me if I wanted the toothbrush or the towel cleanser. So, and I don't even know if I'm saying, is it towel, toe? I'm not even sure how you say it. But I got the cleanser, and it is the Ona Cleanser. And this here are my brushes. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 different cleansers. So cleanser brushes. So that's one thing that I didn't know that they were sending. I did read on their information on their website, the benefits and everything, and we'll go through that in just a minute. And then this here is the product itself. It says, I'm your one and only. Open here for a brand new you. And again, it says happy skin starts here. So let's open this up, and this here is going to be the Ona machine itself, I'm certain. And guys, they've given me a super discount for you guys. You're not going to believe it. Okay, here we go. It says love to keep you clean. And then on the top part, we've got like a what's in the box, and it's showing us that we have those 4 items, which is our UV sterilizer, our brush handle, our power adapter cable, and our brush head. So they sent me an additional set of brush heads with this box. So that is wonderful. Thank you, Marjorie. Let's get on in here and see what it looks like. Of course, this here has explanation of the different cleaning heads that you can use. So they've got them all included. Apparently, the one that comes with your kit is the one that's included. And then they've sent me some extras for sensitive skin. They've sent me a silicone one and an exfoliator one. So there's several in there. And then, of course, we have more instruction here. Okay, guys, I picked white. She asked me what color I wanted, and I said, oh, just send me the white one. And I don't know, I almost picked pink, but I didn't. I just went ahead and went with white. They have several colors to pick from. There we go. This is what it looks like. And there's our brush. It's already on there. And it's got a little wrap here. And we have a plug-in, and they did send our plug-in wires. So when you receive this, you do receive a starter, with a brush. It's going to have the UV light on the inside to sanitize your brush. And of course you have your electric to this. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to show y'all actually how to use this. And I need to read instruction on it. But what I'm doing today is getting it open, because I wanted to show you guys, because they had sent it, and I thought, well, the perfect time to show this is on a Mask Monday when I have a mask on that has to be rinsed off. I thought maybe I could take this to the bathroom and scrub it off. Now, the only thing I didn't think about was if it's going to work or not. Oh, it's already charged up. Okay, well, that's good to know. Did y'all see that? It came on. I'm not going to have to charge it. Yay! Now, let me do a little bit of reading on this, and I'm going to come back. I don't know if I can do this on camera or not, because I don't have water right next to me. I can tell you that this mask has been on about 10 minutes, and it smells really good. I don't know if it's supposed to dry completely all over, because the instructions said to leave it on for 10 minutes. And that's what I've done. With all that ingredients, it says to mix with a half teaspoon of water, apply directly to face, and rinse off after 10 minutes. So yeah, it's been 10 minutes. So I'm going to cut off here, and I'm going to come back, and we'll see about the towel cleanser. I'm going to see how that might work with cleansing my face. I don't know if I should use it on this mask or not. So I will be back. Hang on. Okay, I got it all rinsed off, and my face felt really good. It's kind of was, I'm going to say, tingling, refreshed, and it feels really soft after using the Four Sigmatic Base Mask. And so it feels really good. Thank you, Lori. Very nice. Now, I've gone to the bathroom. I've rinsed this all off. And it told me to get my bristles wet and to put just a little bit of cleanser. So I picked up my Renutriv Estee Lauder. This is a hydrating foam cleanser. It said just to use a small amount, so I'm just going to put that much on there. I hope it's not too much, and we'll see how it goes. It's got a little power button on here, so I'm going to turn it on, and here we go. And yeah, it was wet. You've seen some of the water fly off of there. Oh, it feels good. The bristles are really nice and smooth and soft. Oh yeah. So we're just going to get a little extra cleansing. It's real easy to handle. Oops, got my hair messed up in it. Be careful of that. It was just rotating my hair. And then I'm going to just clean up here. And you can see I just put that very small amount, and look how well it's foaming it up. It said it didn't take much. And I'm using the standard cleanser. Okay, well, I can definitely tell that this is doing a good job of cleansing my skin. Guys, you can use this in the shower too. So then, and you can see that it got a little more dirt off, and I brought me one of my makeup washcloths, and I'm gonna rinse this off. And basically, it's that simple to use. And then when you're done, we're gonna rinse this off. I'm gonna maybe scrub off some of this right now with my washcloth and clean it off a little bit. And then you are to put it down into your base, and then you can turn it on. I guess I have to have the UV cord plugged in. I did hook it up to the electric, and the light is on, and this is our indicator here, and it's lit up, and it is now cleaning my brush head with UVA rays to get all those nasty germs off. So isn't that wonderful? Yes, great product. I hope you will consider checking it out, and if you need something to scrub your face down, it works wonderful. It does come with an adapter to plug into the outlet, just so that you know. And then how you just set this easily down on there, and the UV light is going to sanitize it. So the benefits to this towel cleanser is you get that youthful glow. It's the Ona's Orbital Cleansing Action, cleanses and exfoliates in a deeper level, helping to fight acne, decrease visible signs of aging, and leaving you with a clear, glowing complexion. And I would have to say that's right. It feels really good. And it's also good that you can use it in the shower. They also give you the options of the different, if you need it for exfoliation, or you want to use the silicone, or you want to use the sensitive brush, which I may try that sometime. And, so you got those options, and I think those are an additional cost. I'm not sure if they come in the original packaging or not. We want to shield against those bathroom nasties, and that's where, when you plug this in, the ultraviolet light is going to shine on this for an automatic amount of time and cleanse it thoroughly, so you don't have any germs on your brush, which is really cool. And then, of course, it is a patented UVC cleansing base that does kill 99.9% of all harmful germs and bacteria, including the human coronavirus. So that's good to know. And let's see, you can make a splash with it. It's waterproof. You can use this in the bath, shower, and wherever you need to freshen up. This is a waterproof facial brush, so they have you covered. So if you're interested in this product, use the link down below if you want to purchase you a cleanser such as this. And they have given me a 60% off discount for my subscribers. Yes, that's correct, 60% off. The code is MissJackie60, 60% off. And when you go to their site, I believe this is $149. So you get 60% off by using MissJackie60. And if you will, please use the affiliate link that I put down below if you decide to purchase this, because since I am an affiliate, I will receive a small commission if you decide to buy the Ona Facial Cleanser by Tao. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you like this product, let me know. If you have some more questions about it, let me know. I'll try to answer. But I would have to say going to their website would be the best way for most information for you to research to see if it's a product for you. I hope you all enjoyed it. I really like the way my face feels. I think the mask did wonderful. Thank you, Lori. And my little silicone applicator, Bonnie, was perfect. Thank you very much. And I thank you, Marjorie, for sending me the Ona Facial Cleanser. It worked wonderful. Thank you so much. And I look forward to using and trying out maybe more of your products and letting my subscribers know all about it. But as for today, that's all I have for Mask Monday. And I will remind you, please check my descriptions for any collaborations, any giveaways that are currently going on that you can join in. We just had the National Friendship Collab, came out on Saturday, so it is current, and I have a couple of other ones that are current. Of course, if you're interested in the Ona Facial Cleanser, please look down in my descriptions for the link and use Miss Jackie 60 so you can save 60%. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.